Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the Bitcoin chart on 9th of March 2023 and show you some positions that you can make and see what's going to happen next. Before we start the analysis, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we did have this trend line, which it was like this with 3 touches, and we see these shadows here. We extend the trend line like this one and also this one, but it is broken here. Okay, it is broken and finished. We are now looking for sell positions. Sell positions. Also in the daily time frame, you can see it is broken. The body has closed like this one. The body is closed. Now we can look for sell positions now. Enter the sell position, put your stop loss above that candle and look for risk reward too, actually. And then in the next days we have to wait for the price and see what's gonna happen next. Okay, and also if we see some stop loss activates or something like that, let me switch to 1-hour time frame. If we see some stop loss activates here or something like that, we can have this trend line. Consider this one. To break out of this can be a buy position on the actually 4-hour time frame, not 1-hour time frame. Enter the buy position. If we actually see a stop loss activates here, then we have some upward moves. Then we see this trend line broken. Okay, in that case we can look for buy positions, but right now all I see is sell positions because the big trend line is broken. In the 15-minute time frame, we do have support and resistances here. Let's switch to 5 minutes actually. We have a support here where the price came to this level and it started going up, and we draw a support line like this, finished. Okay, and you can see we have some reactions here. Now we can look for some buy positions here too in this time frame. Okay, 5-minute time frame, but in the bigger picture, one daily time frame or 4-hour time frame, we should look for sell positions. Okay, and also if we see some if we see the price starts going up from here, we can see this resistance line as our target, and also if we see nice candles, red candles or a pin bar on that, we can look for sell positions here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.